families have been forced to leave their homes.
In addition to this, the national disaster in Iceland has struck once again. The huge wave swept over the entire country, and the population of 10 decreased by 2.7%. Switzerland's dictator has been having an ongoing argument with the US president, and has decided to sell their nuclear weapons to Russia. Also, the Trilopinesian pestilence originating from chickens has caused 20 deaths so far, and there are currently 4 people infected.
And now for some good news. The weather will be lovely the whole weekend, and a new cake shop has opened in the city. And they're giving away free samples of cakes and cookies for the next few weeks. And now, on to sports.